This was a little tricky, but what a great etude for anybody who's learning double stops, octaves, sixth, fifth, thirds, fourths, anything. I mean, there's just all kinds of different good material Wohlfahrt introduced to a student in this etude. Anybody who's preparing for Kaiser etudes or Kreutzer etudes will find this very valuable. Highly recommend it. So I hope you have fun. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.